Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a Python calculator. It's really simple, so let's get started. First we have to get some variables, so let's name num1 equals to float input and then enter first number. Now let's create another variable named optype, and this is for the operation type. So for example, if you choose multiplication, it will multiply those two numbers. So optype equals input enter operation type. And now let's create another variable num2 equals float. This will be the second variable, the second number you'll enter. Float input and enter second number. And now we can get to the if condition. So if op type equals addition, then print num1 plus num2. And now we just have to copy this 4 times. So and now we can change the operation type. So we just change it. Sorry, I had to change this to addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division and now let's test and run it. Okay, so enter first number. Let's say it's 45. Its operation type plus. Enter second number. Let's say 5. The answer is 50. So 45 plus 5 is 50. Let's test it one more time. So enter first number. Let's try it this time with a decimal. So 5.7 times 9.2. The answer is 52.44. So thanks for watching this video and see you next time. Bye.